What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, my name is yeukai.loreen and welcome. Today I'm so excited, guys. I'm going to be sharing with you my Valentine's gift. So we are basically unboxing my Valentine's gift together. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, don't be shy to hit the subscribe button and to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And don't be shy to do that, guys, because it's 100% free. It's free to subscribe to my channel, guys. 70% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Like I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Like, seriously, it's free, guys. Subscribe. But anyways, let's get into it. So guys, I'm a bit awkward with this thing of unboxing my gift with you guys, because I feel like it's a bit unnecessary, but at the same time I'm like, why shouldn't I? Like, I couldn't come up with a strong enough argument of why I shouldn't do it. But at the same time, I kept telling myself, I get super net drama. Who wants to know what your Valentine's gift is? And like, seriously. So I then came up to the conclusion, Yoba, if you are single and you did not buy yourself a gift, then this is not the video for you. Just exit. If you are married and unhappy also, I think you should exit this video. Like, no shade. Like, seriously, guys, I feel so lame doing this video, but I don't know, maybe I'll post it, maybe I won't. I'm just gonna think about it. I'll see how it comes out when I'm done. I've wanted a proper perfume for the longest time. Oh, so exclamation. Oh, eza sprays akwa pep. Yo, let me show you guys. Seeing is believing. Jonga-san. Really, guys, man, I actually enjoy this one, but this one I've had, I think, for almost 4 months. Like, I've been struggling to use it. But so then Zadie had asked me, what do you want for Valentine's? Like, he had a budget allocated, and I just said, baby, I really want a lot of things. Like, literally, there's so many things that I want. I want new skincare, I want new clothes, I want a car, I want shoes, I want everything and everything. So you tell me how much money you got, and then I'm gonna budget it for myself. Why not? Then at least I know I get a gift that I really want. So actually today is the
23rd.
So today is actually the 23rd of February, and we got my gift yesterday, which was the 22nd. So it actually took a long time for me to really decide what I wanted to get, but I'm so excited. Zadie got me the set of testers. So these are fragrances for hair. It's got 12 samples, and it allows you to try the samples and then choose the one that you like. So inside there's actually a voucher for a full perfume, but it's a voucher where you get to pick one of these perfumes. So what had happened was, I told him, Zadie, I want a nice perfume, and he said, okay, let's go. We go to the shops. Imagine sampling maybe like 4 or 5 perfumes. What do they call this thing? Epic Lotus. It was now so from smelling different perfumes and just the confusion of not knowing what do I like, what don't I like. I just couldn't even figure out what I wanted. And then I came up with a brilliant idea of saying, okay, let's go check at Woolworths. I think they sell singles, like single samples, and then maybe, because I really wanted to get Coach Floral, because I had tried it and I had liked it. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna get that. But then I thought, in case I want something else, because I'll be committing to this fragrance, and what if I really don't like it when it's on me? Maybe it's nice on someone else, but maybe it's not nice on me. So we went then to Woolies, and then when we got there, they didn't have like samples for sale. They just gave us these ribbons with fragrance on, and I was like, yo, my god, I don't want to spend like 1 point something 2,000 on a fragrance and then get home and then I don't like it. Then I asked the lady, where do you think I can find samples that I can buy? Then she says, oh, go try Foschini. So I then went to Foschini, and then I told them, oh, I'd like to buy some samples because I'm quite undecided on the fragrance that I'm getting. Apparently these days they don't give away samples. They used to give away like tons of samples, but they don't do so anymore. I don't know why. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, I don't know. So when I got there, then the lady told me, oh, we actually have this gift set that's actually on sale. So you get 13 samples and then you go try the samples for as long as you like. And she said it's about up to a year. The voucher is valid for a year, and then you get to choose the one that you like out of the box, and then you get a full-sized perfume. So the box that we choose is the deluxe box. It was 1,670 rand, and it's got 12 samples plus a bonus. The bonus is this one, the Bulgaria. Is it both? Don't mind me, it's something, but it's a perfume that I really wanted. So I'm so excited, guys, to open this box with you. Okay, so these are my samples. Baby, don't you want to see? Baby, box. Okay. We're also excited to see like what's inside, because Daddy also might get a box of samples for himself so that he can then, because I thought this was a really good deal. Like deep down I knew the perfume that I wanted is this Giorgio Armani C. I tried this and I thought deep down I think this is the one that I like, but I just thought, what if I like something else more? And already 50 mils of this was like 1.9. so whether I bought this one and then got the 50 mil of the Giorgio Armani C, it didn't make a difference. So I just thought I really have nothing to lose, you know, and I get to have 13 different fragrances that I can just some for a thumbnail.
Am I ready for this?
Nazula, baby, Nazula, baby. When they focus on me, baby. Why do you want to smile at it, baby?
I'm gonna put my move.
So like, alright, guys, here is my Vale gift. So it comes out of the sleeve. Yo, when I asked the lady how big are the samples, I was hoping maybe they're like 10 milliliter samples, but she said they're like those tiny teeny weeny little samples. So I hope I won't be disappointed. Alright. Okay. Oh, they are really those teeny weeny little samples. Can you see how big they are? So I got this curry. Baby, really light lamp. This one is the Rosé Goldia. Hey guys, leave me alone with the names. Leave me alone, just leave me alone. Oxalayo is the rose gold something, but it's an eau de parfum. Eau de parfum. So I got the eau de parfum for the rose gold here, something. Oh wow, that's so nice. And then this Isimiyake, is that how you call it? And floral fruite, baba. Actually, maybe it wasn't such a bad idea for me to make this video, because I was just dreading it, but now I'm thinking it's not so bad. It's not so lousy for me to share my Valentines with you guys. So yeah, it's this floral fruite. Actually guys, I'm not even going to try these samples because my slagalaga is still sore from trying out perfume samples. So I don't know. Okay, so then it comes with this little booklet here. Oh wow, it explains the fragrances. Wow, that's so cool. Oh, so for example, Scandal embodies Jean Paul Gaultier's femininity. It explains the different samples that are in here and like what they do, and I don't know, like what's unique about them, the type of scent and stuff. That's so cool. Oh wow, how cute is this, guys? How cute is this? Haibo, focus again, Tombo. Focus. Nice. This is the Sommeil Yoshino collection Grand Cruise Pedot Fabrique en Francais. Yes, the gal is speaking French, baba. Alright, yes. So okay, there are 2 milliliter samples. Oh wow, okay. And then the Elisab something. Alright, this one. Okay. The one that I'm very excited about, the love of my life. See, this one, I really loved it when I tried it. Like, I think already my mind is made up, but in case. So yeah, all the samples look like they are 2 milliliter samples. And then Scandal. So I wonder, 2 milliliters, maybe it means I can use it twice, ne? Maybe twice or something. So there's scandal also in here. And this Narciso or the Parfum Rouge. I love the red. I think if it was like a lipstick, it would be a really nice red color. Okay, so this one. And then also number what? I don't even know. I've lost count now. There are so many. Wow. I'm so excited to try out all these samples and take my time to decide until I eventually choose the one. Oh, one comes actually in a thingy like this. I don't know why it's closed. Versace Aero Parfum Eau de Parfum. 1 ml, baba. Eh, 1 milliliter shuwa naimi. 1 ml. I hope you guys can see like which one it is. Like the print is very, it's not like, it's a bit see-through, I guess, or what, I don't know. And then also yo Olympia, this one. Okay. And then also, oh nice, La Vie Estable, this one. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Yo, I can't wait. And then YSL Libre Vaporizata Parfum. Okay, this one. Oh wow, I'm so excited to try out these samples, guys. So it looks like most of them are 2 milliliter samples, and then there's also the Lady Million. Hey Batun, I can't see my voucher. Yo, stress, baby.
Yes.
I need one voucher.
Oh, you want a voucher?
I need one voucher, baby. Oh, stress, guys. Yo.
What you having, Baba?
Because I'm not seeing anything. Come on. Oh, maybe it's in here. You're 6 months interest free if your company is high. No. Oh, these things, the voucher. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I was now stressed.
How do you see it, the voucher?
It bring enclosed voucher into Foschini T's and C's store stamp. I think this is the voucher. Oh la. Oh, it's 50 mils. Oh nice.
Let me see.
So la is value. Let's say look at it.
Oh, it's all 50 mils. There's 100.
Which one's 100? Hey, which is Fuzile. Okay, so this is the voucher. It's actually attached in the booklet. Apparently you just cut it out, and then it's giving like how many different perfumes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there's 12 different perfumes to choose from, and there are different options. All of them are 50 mils except for this one. I'm not sure which one this is, but yeah, I'm probably thinking I'll go for Usi because Usi is my favorite. But anyways, maybe I'll choose the other ones. I don't know. So guys, yeah, that was my Valentine's gift, and I think it's perfect. Like if you want to buy a gift for a special somebody in your life, they even have ones for males as well. So if you want them to have like a chance to look at their fragrances and pick the one that they really like, rather than choosing for someone and then they don't like the fragrance that you got them, and then. So I think this is a very nice and thoughtful gift that you can get for someone, or that you can get for yourself and enjoy your life smelling marvelous. You know, nothing wrong with these ones, you know, because I've used them for the longest time. So don't mind me, guys. I'm always excited when good things happen to me. Like it's not coming out of like nyamangalisa or like wanting to show off. No, it's just I'm just grateful, and I like keeping my milestones so that one day I can come back to them and say, oh, you remember that time when I was celebrating such and such, or yo, at some point you remember we couldn't do this. I remember when we bought our bed with Zadie, we had been dreaming and dreaming. Like we used to sleep on this couch for about six to 8, if not even 1 year, 6 months to a year. Yeah, baby. We used to sleep on this couch. Like we didn't have a bed, and it took us, I think, 4-5 months to save to buy our first bed. When we did buy it, it was such a big deal, you know. I think by that time if I had been filming full-time on YouTube, I would have definitely shared it to say, guys, we finally got a bag, yay. So I hope, like, my message is not that of like kushainira vanhu or trying to say, I'm all that, yeah, me and my babe, this and that. No, it's more just me documenting and sharing my memories, and I don't know, inspiring some way, someone, some way, somehow, who just needs, I don't know, some motivation to know that better times are coming, good things happen, you know, all those things. So it's not out of that. And anyways, if you were thinking of a Valentine's gift to get for someone, or if you were thinking of buying a fragrance for yourself and you didn't know about this, then at least now you know. You can go to Foschini and get yourself a box. They've got so many different combinations of samples. Nice, just because I really wanted Usi, and also this one, even though it's not part of the possible combinations in the voucher, but at least I'll know if I try it, do I really like it, do I want to commit to this one or not, you know. Then I know what I like and what I do not like. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't be shy to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Find me on Instagram at yeukai.loreen, Facebook at yeukai.loreen. Let me know in the comment section other videos that you'd like to see on my channel. Also check out my business page at Kai the Collection for beautiful handbags. Support your girl, get yourself something. If you are interested in joining my WhatsApp business group for people in Zimbabwe, like, we do groceries, we do clothes, we do handbags, whatever it is that you need from South African retailers, then click the link in the first comment so that you become part of our group, and so that you stay notified. We're actually shipping products this Saturday, and they take about 3-4 days to get to Bulawayo. So if you are interested, don't be shy to check that out. I love you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye.